In this lesson, I will explain to you how to calculate the probability of the opposite events. And the formula to calculate the probability of the opposite events is probability not x equal to 1 minus probability of x. And I will explain you this concept with the help of few examples. Suppose the first example is you pick a number from the following data set. Suppose we have these three numbers 4, 6 and 9. I have just written these three numbers in order to make it easy. Otherwise, if you need, you can write down more numbers. Suppose you have these three numbers and the question is that you have to find out probability not 9. What is the probability that you will not pick 9? So this is the opposite of the other questions. So there are three numbers 4, 6 and 9, and the probability of 9 is 1 by 3 because total outcomes are 3 and out of 3 there is only 1 9. But the question is you have to find out probability not 9, which is equal to 1 minus probability of 9. So 1 minus probability of 9, which we have calculated here 1 by 3, so equal to 2 by 3. I will give you another example in order to make it easy. Suppose you flip a coin. What is the probability not tails? So when you flip a coin, there are only two possibilities, whether the heads will come or the tail will come. So that is why we have to divide it by 2 because there are only two possibilities, right? Then you have to find out probability not tails, which is equal to 1 minus probability tails, and the probability tails we have calculated, which is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to half, and which is equal to 50%. So in this lesson you have learned how to calculate the probability of the opposite event. If still you have any question, please write down in the comments section and I will try my best to answer it. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching it.